Hi, this is Test Arcade, and this is my math quiz. You can see we have the icon, the date, timer, and the 4 different problems you have to solve. Let's go ahead and start the quiz. You can see we have a timer counting down, so let's go ahead and solve here. And we get everything correct. As soon as we do, we have the congratulations pop up. All answers are correct. Then you go ahead and you can start it again. Everything changes, and if in this 30 seconds you are unable to complete the quiz, we should have the alert come up telling us that we didn't finish in time. So let's just wait a few more seconds here to see how that finishes. While we're waiting, I did change the colors a little bit. Placement of some things as well, just for some visual interest. And there we go. Time's up. We didn't finish in time. Okay. And then it tells us the answers, which I thought was pretty cool. So yeah, that's it, and hope you guys have a great day.